Once you receive your assignment orders, please swing by the SATO office in Building 309 with a copy of your orders and your absence request. Once you have your flight itinerary, go to the out processing office with your orders, flight itinerary, absence request, and STP to receive a timeline for your out processing. As far as Soggiorno goes, if you have dependents here in Italy with you, please ensure that their Soggiorno is turned in before they leave. If they are lost or they're packed in household goods, ensure that you reach out to the Soggiorno office to know what to do next. We also provide a shuttle bus service going to Marco Polo Airport. If you're PCSing, please book transportation through the CAC-enabled link. We can help you over the out processing office. Please be aware that only small pets are able to travel with you as long as they fit in a small carrier, which can fit on the seat or between seats. Thank you.